Okay, in this video, we're going to look at the actual app. So what you have here is a screen rendering of the actual app itself. I am showing multiple reps here, just so that I can demo different reps, but the person logging in would only see their own information. So for instance, if I went in as Warren, what I've got here is all of the stores from the call list that's been loaded for this individual rep. And you'll see I've loaded for 2 different weeks. So you can see it's busy pulling through all the different call cycles that have been loaded. We have week 24 and week 25. So if I wanted to view store 1, I can click on the information button, and that would bring up the actual details. It would show me a map and the street address if it was captured, etc., of where I need to go. If I decided I wanted to do that call, I would click on the little arrow button here. As you complete the different calls at the different stores, they'll drop off your call list. So you can see that Monday call I just did dropped off. And here are all of the surveys that we created in the console. So don't worry about this info here. This is just to show that everything is connected and showing. It's for testing. It isn't the final product. But here we have the 4 surveys we created. I'm going to go and do availability. Here are the 2 items. We did it for item 1 and item 3. Is this item available? I check in the store. Yes, it is. This particular one might not be. Now, there might be a business process where you need to take a photograph of the item, whether it's there or not there. For that, you can click here. There's a picture of me. And you can click, and it says there, for availability check. Item 1, there's a photo of item 1. You would use your camera to take a photo of the actual item. If you needed item 3, you would take a photo, and there you can see availability check survey item 3. Once I've completed the survey, I can submit the survey. If I want to, I can submit the photos. I've done that separately, or I could just clear the photos out if I don't want them. You can see there now no more photos. I can submit that survey. I can now go and do my pricing. We're now looking to see if the items on the shelves are priced correctly. This one might be above RSP. This one might be below. We might need to take a photo of that item. Again, you can see price point survey, item 4. You can go back. I'm going to clear the photos for now, submit the survey. We can go and do our merchandising audit. Here we need to do item 5 and item 6. Was there merchandising visible? Yes, there was. And no, there wasn't. I'm going to submit that. And our COVID safety audit. Has the item 8 been sanitized? Yes, it has. No, it hasn't. And we can submit. So there we've completed all the surveys we have to do at this particular store. So we can click on End Visit. And we can now go off to our next store. You can see store 1 is now gone. We can go in and we can do store 3, for instance. So it's exactly the same for all the stores. As you complete them, they drop off. And everything that shows up on the app is what you've configured in the app management console. So you can define the stores. You can define the reps that get the surveys. You can define whatever surveys are in. You can define the questions that are asked in the surveys and the answers that are selected. Because you don't want free text, you want to be able to report on the answers, so you want it all from drop-downs. If you need a comments field, you can do that. So what we'll do in the next video, I'll quickly go back to the app console view and I'll show you the surveys that we just created. Thank you very much.